The username and password fields are both case sensitive. If you have a difficulty logging in, please check that you are entering your username and password exactly as it appeared in your welcome email. In this example, my username is example and my password is example with a capital E. If I don't use a capital E, the system will fail my login. When I enter username and password on a case-sensitive basis, I am allowed into the system. Google Chrome users will note a not secure warning to the left-hand side of the website address. This means our website does not currently encrypt incoming data. However, we do not receive any sensitive incoming data from our users, and therefore there is no requirement for an encryption certificate.